Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is Peaceful Pulse Africa, a channel where we share in hints, tips on any course, on different career paths. Maybe you are somebody who wants to transition to tech, or maybe want to come to the tech industry, any career path of your choice. So we'll have it here. So we review courses, we go through them, we'll show you good courses that you can register, you can buy and learn the things involved, what you expect out of the course and everything, and how you can go about it, and also get certification after the end. So I have this wonderful course that I want to talk about, which is a cloud computing. So let's check. First of all, let's find out what's cloud computing. I don't want to say it from the top of my head, but let's check. What is cloud computing? What does it mean? And the course we can use to learn about it, and where we can get that course. So, simply put, according to Google, cloud computing is what? It's the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. That is the cloud. To offer fast innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. This is just from Google. Let's look at this one. It is defined as the use of the hosted services, such as data storage, servers, database, networking, and software over the internet. Same thing as what we talked about here. Now, where can we get a course? Not just a course, but a very good course which we can use to learn cloud computing. Where we can get a course like that. So let me come. There is different resources where you can go and learn about cloud computing. But I personally recommend udemy.com. So this is an e-learning platform where anybody can go to learn anything. Not just tech, not just about programming, from different career paths, from design, from development, from marketing, IT and software, personal development, business, photography, music. You can learn how to be a trader. Or you can learn how to trade forex, cryptocurrency, and all of that. How to build the blockchain, all of that. You can learn how to do this here. So this is the website called Udemy. This is it here, udemy.com. So it's an e-learning platform where you can actually come here, get courses, buy, read, learn, understand, and you have the skill. So they are trusted by over 50,000 companies around the globe. Samsung, Cisco, AT&T, P&G, Harvard, Packet, Citi, and Ericsson. So many companies have backed them up. So now remember, we are still on this course called cloud computing. So let's look for a very good course anyone can use to go through this. One thing I love about this particular e-learning platform is they don't need you to have experience on anything. They walk you through from everything. All right, they walk you through from the beginning to the intermediate to the advanced level. So on this search bar here, let's search for cloud computing. Search. So it will give us different courses. Then I will show you the one that I personally recommend and why I recommend it. I'm sorry guys, sorry for the noise, sorry for the vehicle. I'm making this video from my office right now. I'm sorry for the background. Please stay with me here. So now we are here. Cloud computing. Let's see. Now we have so many bestsellers here, but since we are starting from the very basics, we'll go with this person here. We'll go with this person here. Let's check out the course here. Introduction to cloud computing on AWS. AWS is what? Amazon servers, Amazon web servers, please, I mean to say. Like we said, it has to do with what? It has to do with servers. So cloud computing, now we are here. So let's look at it, what the course entails and everything. So introduction to what? Cloud computing on AWS for what? Beginners 2024. So this is what? And our what? Updated course on this year 2024. So anybody can use to learn this thing. They say learn cloud computing concept and AWS what basis, master AWS fundamentals, and hands-on skill on AWS web server. So this is a bestseller course. You can see the reviews. They have 178,000 students so far. This is created by so many what? Instructors. Even what? Both AWS what? Development Associate, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, AWS what? Certified Solutions Architect. So it's worldwide. It's English. They have English, Arabic, and everything, and 30 more languages you can choose from. So they actually what? On promo here in my country, Nigeria, they are giving 81% off. Normally it used to be what? 25,900. So let's check. 25,900 in dollars. Let's what we get. 25,900 in naira. Naira to USD. This is $18.90, but today now is 4,900. So let's see, check. Today they are giving us percentage 4,900. Let's see how much we are paying. $3, man. This is just $4, man. You see this is why you need to what? Go through this course. If you have the intention of what? Going into what? Cloud computing. So let's see. What will you learn? This course covers what? Fundamental concepts of cloud computing and is what? Designed for absolute beginners. Remember guys, what I said before? I said this course is designed for what? Beginners. They don't need you to have what? Any experience at all. All they just want is your willingness to what? Learn, buy the course, and you start what? Learning. And what I love so much about this e-learning platform called Udemy and other what platforms, you learn at your pace. What do I mean by learning at your pace? You learn at your what? At your own convenience time. Let's assume you have what? You work 9 to 5. You go to work by 8, come back by 5 or 6 at night in the evening. You can actually what? Learn this course 2 hours before going to bed, or 1 hour, or 30 minutes of your time. Remember the law of compound interest. Remember the law of compounding, I mean to say. Let's assume in every day you dedicate like 1 hour. 1 hour in every day. For 7 days, that's 7 hours. That's 7 hours. And look at what we have here. This is 7 hours what? On demand video. Let's say every day you spend what? You spend 1 hour learning this particular course. Before 7 days, you're done with this course, man. For real. You don't have to wait and say, I don't have time, I work. No. This is made at your own convenience. At your own time, you learn. So number 2, get what? An understanding of the fundamental systems on which the cloud is based, including storage, networking, and what? Computing. That's wonderful. Build knowledge from what? Beginner level to what? Advanced concept. I've said this so many times, I don't need to what? Go back and repeat myself. So learn the basic of what? Amazon Web Server, which is AWS, the world leading what? Cloud computing what? System. So let's check AWS. And now I'll be saying this. Let's Google AWS. Let's see. This is the world big what? Cloud computing what? Service. Amazon Web Services is what? A subsidiary of what? Amazon that provides what? On-demand computing what? Platforms and APIs to what? Individuals, companies, government on metered pay-as-you-go basis. Clients will often what? Use this in what? Combination with auto-scaling. You see, you can scale it at any time. Let's say you start with a low server. As your internet resource increases, you can upscale. Just have to what? Upgrade the plan. So they have different what? Plans when it comes to what? AWS. So let's look at what? Let's look at AWS what? Web services. Let's look at the prices and everything. So let's see. So free cloud services is coming up. It's coming up. Let's see what we'll have here. So different prices and everything here. All right. So guys, I will leave the link of this particular website on the comment section so you take your time to go through them and see what's happening there. All right. So let's look at the pricing. Like I said earlier, you can what? You can upgrade with time. So they made it very what? Very, very scalable. So now they said what? Now Amazon, this is free. 72 hours per month. That's nice. This is what? This is free tie. This is 5 hours and everything. So they have what? Different prices we can use and all of that. 5 gig storage, 20,000 get requests, all of that. So different prices for all of them for you to choose. All you have to use after learning the course and want to learn more about AWS, you can just come and check out what the services here. But let's still go back to where we are, which is what? This place. Now look at companies which have what? Trusted this particular what? Course for their employees or anything or anybody. So they said we'll have 12 sessions, 8 lectures, 12 hours total length. That's the video you're going to learn. Like I said, try as much as possible to commit 1 hour of your day to learning this thing. Trust me, after learning these things, you will get what? Hands-on training. So now the requirement, this course is what? Designed for individuals who are new to the world of what? Computing and what? AWS. If you are new to what? To cloud computing, this course is what? Is good. So the requirement, it's designed for anybody who is new to what? The world of cloud computing. Absolutely no prior what? Experience needed, like I said. No experience what? Is necessary. They will walk you through from beginner to advanced. So let's look at what? The course description, look at what? The skills develop, IT fundamentals and everything. Let's start with the course. This is a beginner what? Friendly introduction to what? Cloud computing on AWS course. Takes you from the what? AWS basis to what? Become what? A competent AWS what? Cloud practitioner with expert instruction and what? Engaging content. You will learn what? General cloud computing concept and also what? AWS on what? Fundamentals, right through what? Advanced concepts. You will also what? Build hands-on what? Skills using many of what they call Amazon Web Services, ideal for beginners. Absolutely know what? Cloud computing experience is what? Required. You see? So many things, just take your time, read through it and everything. So skills you will develop. Learn fundamental what? Concept of what? Of cloud computing and including what? Storage, databases, networking, virtualization, containers, and what? Cloud architecture. So many things you can learn from here. The cloud topics we will cover in this cloud computing fundamental course are 1. IT fundamentals, cloud computing concepts, AWS access and networking, AWS EC2, AWS storage device services, AWS databases, automation and DevOps, DNS caching and performance optimization, containers and serverless computing. What do students say? If you are new to what cloud computing, a beginner course is perfect place to get what? Started, like I said before. So this is very, very what? Good. So meet the instructor. This is what Del Davis, somebody he introduced himself as what? As AWS what? Developer course. Our success what? In numbers, they have what? Over 500,000 students enrolled in the course on Udemy. I've said over what? 100,000 reviews. They are giving money back guarantee. So after you buy the course, let's say you buy the course and are okay with it, they can refund you your money. Finally, who is this course for? Anyone keen to learn what about cloud computing if you have interest? Ideal for newbies to cloud computing, professionals keen to explore cloud computing services, anyone interested in what? Understanding AWS, aspiring developers who want to build apps on AWS, and students keen to what? Keen to the what? Fundamentals of concepts of cloud computing. So you can access this on mobile or TV. They give you full life access once you make payment. That's with one-time payment and what? Certificates at the end which you can use when you are applying for a job to show your potential what? Employer that you have undergone such course. So guys, this is where I'm stopping today. Like I said, I will leave the link of this video in the description of this video so that you guys can take your time and check out. So please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and so that once also click on the notification button so that once we drop videos like this, so you get notified. All right, please guys, take this advantage and get this course. I have nothing to gain. This is not an affiliate marketing. I'm not selling anything to you guys. This is just more like, well, this is a course which I've seen people take and it have changed their life so far. So I'm recommending this course to anybody who wants to go into cloud and master AWS, which is Amazon Web Services. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. Thank you guys.